Okay, this is a fun one. If you've been in the ChatGPT desktop app, which I recommend you should do, or just the web version too, you might have noticed these little animated pets that hang out on usually the bottom right corner or just on your screen overall, and they just kind of react as the AI works and do their little thing on the side. There are a handful already built for you, but you can also make your own, and the easiest way is to let it build one based on everything it already knows about you, its memory of you. So you literally just hit go and see what you get. Or if you want something specific, you describe it and it draws the whole thing for you. So I'll show you both. It takes a couple of minutes. There will be templated prompts you can use in the description of this video that you can give to ChatGPT. Right now, this is only for ChatGPT and it looks best in the desktop app, but you can either use the process we're going to do in this video or the templated prompts. Both will work fine. It depends how much you want to customize it. So in the web version, we have this little character here who is the pet. In this case, this is actually Rick from Rick and Morty, one of my favorite shows. It's like an adult cartoon kind of thing, similar to Family Guy or whatever, but a bit crazier. And I actually built this one and it took a good amount of time. I did it using Codex and going back and forth for a while, which most of you don't want to do. So in the bottom left, in the very bottom left corner, and then you can hit settings, and then you're going to want to go to personalization and then scroll down and you'll see pet. So you can click on pet and these are the original ones that it gives you. So these are the default ones you can choose from. Codex, Dewey, all these. I like CD the most personally. And you can choose that and then it changes him. Or you can do not show pet if you think it's just a bother. And then you can also upload the pet, give it the pet name, description, and enter the right sprite sheet, which is the kind of file you'll need, which tends to be a WebP. But don't worry about that. AI is going to make it for us in this case. So you have the options to just stick with one of these if you want. You don't have to build one because these are already great and very fun and they do their little dance and little actions. So if I exit out of this, we can see the CD one here. And if I hover over him, he's jumping, moving around. It just adds a bit of fun to the whole serious technical AI work that you will be doing. But let me exit out of that and let's pay attention to the actual desktop app. So there's chat and there's co-work. And if you click on ChatGPT, you got Codex. So basically what we're going to do, I guess I'll stick on work here and this is mine. You can go what would be right here if I wasn't in the way and click on your profile pic and then go to settings and then you can go to pets on the left. And now you have the options here. So same default ones. This is the one I created and here is the one I actually built and they have a plugin already made for you to make one and it's super easy. So I'll select that. This is mine. It's this interesting owl and you can tuck the pet away if you want to hide it, wake the pet up, refresh it in case it built one and you don't see it there, just refresh it. And then all you have to do to build a pet is you just hit create. And then it's going to open up Codex, which is fine. And then you'll see this hatch pet, create pet based on what you know about me. That's simple. And then all you got to do is hit send. And this is known as a plugin, which has various skills and other files inside of it to help ChatGPT know how to make a pet based on what it knows about you. So I'll go to my chats and I would recommend renaming it something. So if you double click on the chat, you can rename it. Hatch pet will be fine. And I'll be sure to remember that in case I want to come back here and edit and improve the little pet over time. But basically, as you can see here, all I sent was create a pet based on what you know about me, and it worked for 28 minutes. When you send that prompt, if you just want to do it this way, you can then go away, have a snack or something. It'll just keep working in the background and you'll be good to go. So it created this image to understand the animations and stuff. So we've got idle, we've got it running to the right and the left, waving, jumping, this little thing if something fails or doesn't work. It's patiently waiting for something to work or anything that's running and loading. You've got the animations for when it reviews something. It can look around also. It's pretty fun. And all this is built for us. So any changes I want made or improvements, I just send a follow-up prompt right on the bottom here. And we can see it used 21 sub-agents to help build it for us. But literally all we had to do was hit those two buttons and hit send. Another option for you is to go to a new chat and remove that part. And then you could paste in the template that you should have access to in the description of this video. And then just adjust this stuff based on the true customizations you want. You could even give it reference images, hit the plus, and add any files or reference images for it to work with as well. And it'll go through the same process, and it just might come out more customized based on how you wanted it. And it's that easy. After the waiting period, you have your own little custom pet created. So a little custom character that lives on your screen and reacts while your AI works away. So make one that looks like your own pet if you want, your kid's favorite animal, or just something that makes you smile at your desk. Maybe even a character from a show like I did. If the first one isn't quite right, right, you can tweak it with a quick follow-up. And remember, I dropped some prompts in the description of this video for you to check out. It's just a small thing, but it's a fun one. So go build it and feel free to comment in the community what you came up with.